Hello everybody, this is the final update on the Tecumseh that oversped because I think it's past the point of rescue. When I opened the case up, I found that the governor gear, part of the number of the teeth had worn off, and interestingly enough, some of the cam gear teeth were also worn out. I'm going to get a close-up of that, maybe you can see it. Hold on. If you look, you can see where the governor gear has broken. Right in here. Sorry for moving the camera, I don't have it on tripod. Right here the teeth are missing. And around here. And the cam gear is the same way, it has some missing teeth. Find them. I don't know whether you'll be able to see these or not. I'll take it out. That's the oil pump on the end. If I rotate it, you can see right there. There's some teeth missing. Right there. Quite a few. So, I'm not really sure how that happened. The crank gear looks to be pretty good. Okay. So that explains what happened, but it doesn't explain how it happened. It's very puzzling. But it was an old lawnmower. I don't know how it was treated before I got it. Okay. Thanks for watching.